Hello guys, today we'll be doing a lesson on circles. So what is the agenda for today? We're going to first go over the parts of a circle, we're then going to go over important formulas for a circle, and then we'll do some practice problems. Firstly, what is a circle? So I want you to take a couple of minutes to actually think about this. What actually is a circle? A circle is a collection of all the points that are the same distance from a fixed point. This point is called the center of the circle, and the distance of the points on the circle from the center is called the radius. So let's understand these concepts, right? Firstly, another term you have to know is the diameter. The diameter of a circle is the distance across a circle. The diameter will always cross the center of the circle. Therefore, the diameter is equal to twice the radius. So if the radius of the playground below is 100 meters, as you can see with the red arrow on the green playing ground, then what will be the diameter of the circle? Well, if the diameter is twice the radius, and the radius is 100 meters, then the diameter is 200 meters. Moving on, the second concept you have to know is the circumference. So the circumference of the circle is the distance around the circle, as you can see in the diagram to the right. So imagine if the row below was 25 meters long. Ben starts from the gate and runs all the way along the circle to back where he started. How far did he run, right? And however far he ran, that is the circumference of the circle. So how do we find that? Well, the circumference of the circle we can find through the formula d times pi, where d stands for diameter. So you can see the formula for the circumference of C of the circle is equal to pi times the diameter. So that is how you find the circumference of a circle. So let's look at our previous example, right? Where we know the radius is 100 meters. So therefore, we know the diameter must be 200 meters. If the diameter is 200 meters, and then the circumference is diameter times pi, therefore the circumference must be 200 times pi, or 200 pi. This is roughly 628 meters. Okay, let's talk about the area of the circle. Let's say the radius of the circle is r, then the area of the circle will be pi times the square of r. So if r is 3, what will be the area of this red circle? Purple circle, I suppose. Take a second and try this problem on your own. Come back in 5 seconds. Okay. Well, if r equals 3, and we know the area is r squared times pi, we know that 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9, times pi, that is 9 pi. So therefore, the area of the circle is 9 pi. Usually, you can leave your answer in the pi form. You can leave your answer as just simply 9 pi. Or you can also estimate this would be roughly around 28 units squared. Let's try a problem together. We dug really deep into the ground and we found a really beautiful circle of quartz. Quartz is really, really valuable, and in order to find how much money we can make from selling this quartz, we need to know the area of the quartz. If 1 centimeter squared of quartz can be sold for $100, then the radius of the quartz circle is about 3.5 centimeters, as you can see with the ruler and the quartz on the left. How can we find the total amount of money we can earn? Take a second, pause the video, and try this problem by yourself first. Okay, let's look at the solution now. Well, since we know that the radius is 3.5 centimeters, all we need to find is the square centimeter footage of the quartz, and then multiply that area by 100 to find how much money we can earn. So firstly, let's find the area, right? If the radius is 3.5 centimeters, we know that the area of the circle is r squared, radius squared, times pi. So in order to find the area of the circle, we must do 3.5 centimeters to the power of 2 times pi. As we see, that comes out to 1,225, that comes out to 12.25 pi centimeters squared. Since we know that 1 centimeter squared of quartz is worth $100, and we have 12.25 pi centimeters squared of quartz, we'll be able to learn 12.25 pi times 100 centimeters squared to find the total number of money we can earn. So therefore, we can earn roughly 1,225 pi dollars. Since pi is roughly 3.14, this will be about $3,846.50. Wow, that really is a lot of money. That is all for today, guys. I hope you learned more about the parts of the circle, how to find the area of the circle, and you know how to do word problems and circles now. Please tune back into the channel soon. Thank you guys all for watching.